finally found some time to get the 22 WRX up on the dyno to do some baseline pulls. And then while we were at it, our buddies at ETS sent us a set of Axlebacks for a 15 through 20 WRX. Everybody said they were the same, but they're not. There's about a 1-inch gap on the flanges. You can see they're crooked, all pissed off. A little bit of an exhaust leak going on. So that high-pitched ticking noise is. And but we went ahead and installed them anyways because, well, we wanted to see what it sounded like. ETS got their new 22 in, I think, today. So we should see new 22 specific parts in the works soon.